In this video, I'll teach you how to set up your projects in Microsoft Project so that they are perfect to be displayed to your project stakeholders. One of the things I like to teach all of my students is how to set up a project in Microsoft Project so that it communicates well to your project stakeholders. Doing this does require a couple of little tricks, so in this video, I'll be sharing those tricks. So let's get started. In this detailed project schedule, please notice that I am using a summary task at outline level 1 to show the deliverables in this project. I have the scope deliverable, the analysis and software requirements deliverable, the design deliverable, and so forth. Because this is a detailed project schedule, it contains way more information than my client wants to see. In fact, my client has requested to see only a high-level view of this project. Here is how to make that happen. Click the View tab to display the View ribbon. Then in the Data section of the ribbon, click the Outline Pick List button and choose the Level 1 item. That will collapse the entire project, so now I can see each deliverable section along with its respective milestone. By the way, if your project is larger than this one and uses phases at outline level 1 and deliverables at outline level 2, you would want to click the Outline Pick List button and choose level 2 on the menu instead. Okay, good. Now, after collapsing to outline level 1, then go ahead and narrow or widen the task name column as needed. Then drag the split bar to the right edge of the finish column. In your Customize Quick Access toolbar, click the Zoom Entire Project button. By the way, if you don't already have that Customize Quick Access toolbar, be sure and click the link below so that you can download and import it into your copy of Microsoft Project. Now notice by zooming the entire project, I can see every deliverable section and milestone all the way through the project out here in the Gantt chart view, and I can also see the respective dates for each of them as well. That's how to display a high-level view of your Microsoft project schedule. So now you know how to set up your project schedule in Microsoft Project to make it useful to show to your project stakeholders. I hope, as always, that this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to hire me to train the project managers in your organization, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you right away about that. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.